Hello, Taurus. Welcome to your weekly forecast. All right, this is for Taurus, Sun, Moon, or Rising. General reading, so take it as it resonates. You might watch your Sun, Moon, and Rising to gain more insight into the week. I'm going to start by pulling from the Eternal Crystals deck to get your crystal for the week. If you like this reading, hit that like button, please. Share it with your friends. Leave me a comment. Say hello. Let me know if it resonates with you. And we're going to pull the crystal first. Here we go. Crystal for the Spirit. This is for, did I already say, the week of December 11th through 17th. Here we go. Selenite. Peace. Crown chakra. Yes. Selenite. Very good crystal. It's one of the ones that I am most drawn to is selenite. Let's pull. I'm going to pull an oracle now from the Sacred Destiny to get our overall theme and energy for the week. What do we have, please? Okay, Taurus. Action. Wow, I just got this for Aries too. Isn't that funny? What are the chances out of 44 cards? Okay, action. Let me read the little, there is a little thing that goes with that. They're very short, they're not really long. A shift is coming. The time is now. Don't hesitate. Face your fear. Do it anyway. When big change is on the horizon, it's time to take action. Of course, there are times to deliberate and carefully consider your next step, but not now. Now's the time. Sorry, that's my dog thinking he has to bark at somebody. Now's the time to take immediate action. Look forward with a calm, steely gaze, and then forge ahead with clarity, determination, power, and grace. Quicken your spirit by making decisions now. Even if you're not 100% certain of your decision, right now, it's better to make any choice than none at all. Make that decision, don't put it off. All right, let's see what we have here for Sunday. What do we have for Sunday, please, for Taurus? Spirit, please speak to us. What do we have for Sunday? All right. We have the World on Sunday. Talk about things opening up for you. Possibilities. Opportunity and possibility. Something on Sunday. A new beginning, a new endeavor, a renewal, a stepping into endless possibilities. Universe working in your favor, watching over you. The possibilities are limitless. Things are opening up for you on Sunday. All right, what do we have on Monday? Monday, the 8 of Coins. Be willing to put in the work. Pay attention to the detail and work diligently. Very nice. So Monday is a day of labor, a day of paying attention to the details, putting in the work toward the desired outcome. What is Tuesday, please? The Hanged Man on Tuesday. Perhaps it's time to gain perspective and understanding, to take a time out and see things from a different point of view, from a different angle. Gain some perspective. He just thinks he needs to bark for some reason. There's people coming home from work, I think, and he's just hearing them all. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see what Wednesday has, please, for Taurus. Wednesday is the Strength card. Yes, tapping into that inner strength, that inner resiliency. It's there for you, Taurus. You have that strength. Okay, Taurus the bull, tap into that strength, that stamina, that personal power that you have within you. You have what you need. All right. Let me have on Thursday, please. Okay. On Thursday, we have the Two of Cups. Some sort of union, a blessed union. This does not have to be lovers. It could be a friendship, a family member, co-worker. There's a union here. A relationship that needs perhaps a little nurturing. Perhaps it has the possibility of becoming something a little deeper. Pay attention to your relationships on Thursday. Look at this. And we have the Two of Wands. Listen to that heart guidance. Choose from your heart. Make your decisions from your heart. Choose the direction that you're moving in. Not only intellectually. Allow for that heart guidance to come in. A lot of sacral energy here. Perhaps carrying around some carnelian would be beneficial for you this week to help support these energies. Choose from the heart. Follow the path that is heartfelt. All right. All right, and on Saturday, the Princess of Coins. There might be an opportunity here to invest in yourself, in your well-being, in your future, your security. Whether it's investing in stocks or whether it's investing in education for yourself or something health-wise to bring you healing. It is an opportunity on Saturday to invest in you. It is a good time to invest in yourself, your welfare, your well-being, your security. Watch for that opportunity when it presents itself. It will present itself. I'm going to pull from the Oracle again in closing. All right. And new beginnings. We have new beginnings. Let me look that one up. New beginnings. If I can find it. There we are. New beginnings. Your life is expanding in profound and wondrous ways. New experiences and ideas are emerging. Vitality and wide open opportunities are at hand. Seize the day. This is a perfect time to begin that new project or give birth to an emerging idea. Timing is everything, and the time is now. Anything and everything is possible. Good fortune awaits you. The rising sun is the ultimate symbol of the Yang principle, expanding power and activity. You are radiant and luminous. There's a glow within you that can be felt by all. Wow, that does fit, does it? Doesn't it? Opportunities opening up for you. Take that opportunity. Let's pull a rune in closing. And we have Manaz, meaning men or ourselves, like human selves. This is your position in situations, relationships. This is who you are. Are you in touch with your higher self? Are you following that higher guidance? Are you listening to that heartfelt leading, that tug at your heart? Where's it leading you? Are you listening? Are you paying attention? Are you open to the possibilities coming in for you? There is possibility coming in. There's something new coming in for you. Spend time perhaps in meditation, connecting with your higher self, connecting with spirit, and gaining that higher insight right here on this day, Tuesday. It's all about gaining, understanding, perspective, insight. Listen to spirit guidance. This is what I have for you, Taurus. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a blessed week.